I screwed down the grill just in case it gets real windy. So now let's fire it back up. Rooftop unit number 25. Got a service call. AC is not keeping up. So let's do a little once over. Looks like we got a bunch of hail damage here. Got a noisy fan there. Oh! That's a problem. Time to shut her down. Done. Let's get this panel off. Boom, there we go. We got two circuits here, compressor 1, compressor 2. We got a whole bunch of goodies up there. But we need to look at this fan blade, see what happened with it. 'Cause it ain't supposed to be like that. We gotta climb up there, get to that fan shroud. So let's do a little bit of climbing here. All right, we're up here. Let's get the shroud off. Got the shroud off. That's a problem. So it looks like the collet came loose from the actual blade. You could almost weld that up and you'd be fine. Weld it back up on there. Could almost make that work. But I'm no welder, so we're gonna have to order parts for this rig. Look at that. So basically came right out of there. It's supposed to sit right down in here. So might have had an imbalance or something where this thing was wobbling. Caused that to work its way loose. Yeah, I don't fit in there no more. So what we're gonna do for today, I don't have time to go get parts. So we're gonna cover up this shroud so then that one can dissipate the heat. If you don't cover this shroud, that one will pull air through here. And that don't work out very good. So we're gonna find some plastic, cover that up, put the shroud back over it, and that should be good. So we found a piece of plywood. We cut her down, got it to fit over this hole pretty decently. Of course it started raining, so I got the umbrella out, which you can look at my TikTok shop for this. Pretty sweet setup. We are going to be screwing this plywood down. We found some screws. One of them is a Tapcon. We got a couple of them in here, 3 different screws in here. So that's not going anywhere. I screwed down the grill just in case it gets real windy. So now let's fire it back up, make sure this one works. Then we'll order the parts to get this fixed. We got this unit all wrapped up. Let's fire it up. Boom. Now we probably got a 5-minute delay before this will kick on. So I'm gonna take a picture with the model and serial number, get calling our supply house, see what our lead time is on this fan blade. It just kicked on, got the fan running. It's pulling some good heat out of it. Now that we got the plywood up in there, got this compressor compartment, see. Oh. Looks like just circuit 1 is running right now. Circuit 2 is off. That is gonna be a wrap for today. Peace out, Girl Scouts.